Hello everyone, today our topic is presentation layer. The presentation layer is responsible for the translation of data in between the application layer and the network. So this layer ensures that the data sent by the application layer from one system can be readable by the application layer of another system. And basically there are three main tasks performed by the application layer. These are data compression, data encryption and data translation. Now let's talk about the data translation. Basically it converts the data from application layer into a format that can be transmitted over the network. Example, converting a text file into ASCII format or conversion of any image into standard format of images like JPG or PNG. And it also ensures that the data is universally understandable by any devices or any iOS that can be easily readable. Let us take an example. I am having two different systems. One understand the binary EDC, EBC, DIC and another understand the ASCII formats. So the conversion between these two languages will be done, or these two formats will be done by the help of presentation layer or data translation. And let us assume that I have an image that has to be converted into JPEG or PNG so that any computer system or any device can easily understand this file and easily open this. So this is all done by the data translation. Now let's discuss about the data compression. Basically we reduce the size of data to minimize the amount of data transmitted over the network. Basically it can be seen in the video file or images or audio files. And let us assume we have a file of 20 MB that has to be forwarded over the internet. So first of all the data, the presentation layer reduce the size, then again it will decompress the size to its original format, and that is done by the presentation layer in the OSI model. Basically in presentation layer, the data encryption and decryption will be done to ensure that the data security by encrypting data before transmission and decrypting it upon reception. The common protocols and methods used in include SSL TLS for secure the web communication and encryption algorithm like AES. Okay, let us assume we are forwarding a file. On one side the encryption will be done by the presentation layer and the encrypted file will be forwarded through the internet, and on other side the decryption will be done on the receiver end. So this is done by the presentation layer. Now let's talk about the SSL certificate. So SSL certificate provide the encryption to a web page basically. So let me open the google.com. So this is the google.com web page, and in this just click on this icon. Okay, whenever you will click on this icon, a pop-up will be open. Here you will find the connection is secure. That is means that your SSL certificate is working. What? Your SSL certificate is working, and whenever you will click here, it will show you that the certificate is valid. And whenever you will click this certificate, you will find that the Google is using SHA-256 fingerprints, in which this is your public key and there is a private key that cannot be seen here. Okay, so this is how the Google does the encryption on its website, on its web page. Okay, now let me also give you a tutorial that how you can encrypt your data, how you can also encrypt your any file. Okay, so this is a website in which you can convert plain text into SHA-256 encryption. So SHA-256 is also a type of encryption. Let me copy some text. Okay, whenever I will paste this text, so this is 3 lines of text approximately. So this will be converted into a single line of text. So this is called SHA-256 conversion basically. And you can also do the encryption by this website, and you can also do the decryption for the same. Okay, so that is all about the presentation layer. So dear all, please subscribe my channel, and thanks a lot for watching this.